In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the bad debts in SAP Business One, as we have a transaction of Ryan and Sons was unable to pay, thus treated as bad debts. So we have a total balance due by this customer of 600,000, but they went bankrupt or whatever is the reason. But now we want to declare them as bad debts, which is an indirect expense. So the entry should be debit bad debts, and against that receivables should be reduced. Credit should be the receivables or Ryan and Sons. It looks like a simple entry, and it also looks like it should be treated from the journal entry. But once you record bad debts from the journal entry, the individual invoices related to this customer will not close. If you select incoming payments, let's say we click on incoming payments, as soon as we select this customer, it shows us this pending invoices. So the most effective treatment for closing this customer against the bad debt is not only it should be recorded as a bad debt, but also the back-end invoices should close, so that whenever we access this ledger using incoming payments, it should not show any pending invoice. So what we do is just click on the business partner, internal reconciliations, and then click on reconciliation. Now there are three types of reconciliation: manual, automatic, or semi-automatic. I will choose manual. Select the business partner, which is Ryan and Sons. Click on reconcile. It will open up and show this pending invoice that this customer had, which was the opening balance at the start of the year. We just choose that. And we click on adjustments. It will ask you select the transaction you would like to process, create a journal entry, incoming payments or outgoing payments. Since this is a bad debt and none of the payment are received, we'll choose create journal entry and click OK. And this way we will head over to the journal entry. Now you might be thinking that in the start, we just told you that it should not be done from the journal entry, but then we ultimately landed to this journal entry section. But that is a separate thing. If you notice the previous steps, we did the internal reconciliation and we have chosen and decided which entry or which invoice we need to close against this journal entry or this settlement. Also, if you notice that Ryan and Son is credited directly in journal entry. If we go to the financials and click on journal entry from there, you won't be able to select the business partner. You can select account receivable as a journal, but it won't allow you to select the business partner name by default. So this is a proper treatment. In the debit, we will write bad. It will automatically pick up bad debts. In the remarks, we can simply copy and paste this remarks. Obviously, it has some character limit. So just keep in mind to include only the important information in the remarks. Hit enter and it will ask it again, click yes. And now you can see that a journal entry has been made to reduce the overall balance. This entry was in positive as a receivable, but now it is closed against the bad debt, so it is negative, and the total amount that is pending by this customer is now 0. It is settled in between these entries. Click on reconcile, and that is how not only we have closed this against the bad debt, but we have also closed the associated invoice. Let's also check this. If we go to the banking section and click on incoming payments and we select Ryan and Sons, there is nothing shown here as the open invoice. And that's exactly what we wanted here. So this is a proper treatment of recording the bad debts against the customer pending balances in SAP Business One. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.